Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the buzzer, the sound speaker on a Samsung Galaxy A35 phone. For this we need a brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be soft or medium hard. We need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol to soften the dirt, which will then evaporate so there's no trace left behind. You can buy such kits, including the brush and diffuser, on sites like Allegro or Amazon. And if you don't have that option, you can try using a regular toothbrush. Just make sure the bristles are soft or medium hard. Alcohol is essential, so you need to get your hands on some. We dampen the brush thoroughly with alcohol. The phone must be turned off, so if it's on, you need to turn it off using the volume down and power buttons. A power off menu will appear. Mine happens to be turned off, so it is very important that it is turned off during cleaning so you don't damage your phone. We take the phone in our hand. Here we have the buzzer opening, and we need to clean this buzzer opening. So with a steady motion in one direction, we perform 10 to 15 strokes with the brush to clean out this buzzer opening. Then, in the other direction, do the same, 10 to 15 strokes. Then towards the screen, 5 to 10 strokes, and towards the back cover, the same, 5 to 10 strokes. It is good to repeat this operation 2 or 3 times in each direction so that the buzzer opening, or rather the buzzer itself, is perfectly cleaned. It will then work like new. When should this operation be performed? When it's working quietly. Simply put, the sounds are quiet, whereas they were much louder when you first started using the phone. After the operation, we set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the isopropyl alcohol evaporates from this opening and other parts of the phone where it might have gotten during cleaning. And then we can turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.